An Easter holiday celebration was a total washout for a family in West Palm Beach after the water tank right by their house started overflowing into their yard. You can see the tank that's located at Parker Avenue and K Street just spewing out water onto a home right next door. The family said they'd rented out a slip and slide as part of their Easter celebrations until the leak flooded their yard. The water, you can see it coming out of multiple sides of the tank, also leaving sidewalks and other homes flooded as well.
We were playing with our kids on the slip and slide that came from Pinky's party, and we were just finishing up, cleaning up, and all of a sudden we see water coming out, and we looked at the water tower and it started overflowing, and it was just going and going and going.
Now, the family says this is the fourth time in 6 years that the tank has flooded their yard. We've reached out to the city of West Palm Beach, and tonight they said that Public Utilities is responding and looking into the cause.